When I got really comfortable cutting onions, every other part of cooking got a lot easier too. So I'm going to show you how I cut onions for 95% of the dishes that I make. It's easy, it's versatile, and there's no waste.
I call this cut the half julienne. I'm going to take an onion, cut a little bit off the root end, a little off the stem end, put those aside, cut straight through the onion. This is the best time to peel the onion. You can just find any convenient corner and peel it. Usually peels pretty easily. And then, so here's what makes the half julienne a half. You're going to cut it first, kind of across the equator, and then you're going to cut it as if you were cutting a normal julienne into thin strips, following the curve of the onion. In other words, not just straight up and down, with your claw hand and your pinch grip. Just simply cutting thin strips until you get to about here. You'll notice that the onion is taller than it is wide. So just turn it over and start again. And that's it, the half julienne. It's small enough to fit on a soup spoon if you're making soup, and indeed I'm about to make some French onion soup, and it's really fast. So again, through the equator, and then thin strips. When you get to about here, just turn it over on to its wide end, and you're done.